Hello everyone and welcome to WowSilao. Today I am here with a review of a product which is basically a combo. The product is mCaffeine Exfoliating Face Wash and Face Scrub Combo. As we all know, coffee has many benefits to our skin. It is an ingredient which combats skin aging, provides UV protection, helps in cellular reduction and in skin firming, fight against skin problem, and seriously a lot more. So let's first begin with mCaffeine Naked and Raw Espresso Coffee Face Wash. This product is suitable for all skin types such as normal skin, dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, or acne prone skin. These are unisex products. Men या women कोई भी इन्हें यूज कर सकता है. This is a very thick face wash. The consistency almost looks like honey. An amazing fact about this face wash is that after washing your face with it, your face will never feel dry as it feels with other face washes. Next is mCaffeine Naked and Raw Espresso Coffee Face Scrub. This product is not for all skin types, or I should particularly mention sensitive skin types, as it contains walnut, which is a little bit harsh over the skin. It works great and removes all. This combo is an amazing pick as it hydrates, energizes, and polishes your skin. To buy this, the link is given in the description box, and to buy the scrub and face wash separately, the links are mentioned in the description box itself. Thank you.